guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Akansha. So in this video, I'm going to eat food in alphabetical order for 24 hours straight. So currently it's 11 a.m. I haven't eaten anything yet. So what I planned is I have grouped my food like A, B, C, D, then E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L and so on. So yeah, let's start. Let's start with the first four alphabets, shall we? So for A, we have almonds. It's nice to start your day with almonds. Then we have B, burst. Okay, it's Biz Farm burst, so it's BB.
A few moments later.
Okay, finally it's open. Okay, if you can see, इसमें कितनी क्वांटिटी है जस्ट सी. तो ये पूरा वो बाइट्स जैसा है. सी वो बहुत टेस्टी है. Then C say we have coffee. Can't start my day without coffee, so thank God it's in the morning. It's cold coffee, so again C. Then D say I have this Dairy Milk Silk Mousse. I was waiting to try this for so long. And ये काफ़ी टाइम से बाहर रखा है क्योंकि मैं सामान इकट्ठा कर रही थी, तो ये थोड़ा थोड़ा मेल्ट हो गया है. Let's see कैसा है. It's going to be a taste test also. मैंने कभी पहले ट्राई नहीं किया. ओके, ये पिघल के बाहर ही आ गई है ऑलमोस्ट. इट्स नाइस. कोई इतना ड्रास्टिक डिफरेंस नहीं है नॉर्मल सेल से, बट इट्स नाइस. Try this. I will go wash my hands and I will see you in half an hour, I guess. Hey guys, I'm back. So the next four alphabets are E, F, G, H. So for E, I have Eno. So I had made my Eno. जितना ऊट पतंग खाया है ना आज, Eno की जरूरत पड़ेगी. For F, I have these flax seeds candies. This video is going to be titled as me struggling to open packets for 24 hours. मुझे इसे खत्म करना पड़ा. So I have finished my candy. Now it's time for some G for गुड़. मैं छोटू सा पीस लूँगी. कोई एक छोटा सा पीस मुझे दिख रहा है पर वो बहुत दूर है. प्लीज़ आ जा यार, मुझे इतने बड़े बड़े पीस नहीं खाने. See, I told you this video is going to be 24 hours of me struggling. Yeah. Next, we have Hershey's syrup. Next, we have H for Hershey's syrup. Chocolate syrup hit different. So for the next four alphabet we have I, J, K, L. So for I we have ice. So this is my I for ice. Brain freeze. So after a brain freeze, after ice, I will have J से jam. ये almost finish ही हो गया है पर थोड़ा तो मुझे निकल ही जाएगा. मैंने इतना सब खा लिया ना सुबह से. इंग्रेडिएंट्स में ब्रेन रजिस्टर ही नहीं कर रहा अब टेस्ट. नाउ फॉर के आई एम हैविंग काजू. आई जस्ट L for lemon. I am having a lemon after eating a kaju. Great day. So हो गया I, J, K, L. And next I am going to have some M for Maggie. So I will go downstairs and make my Maggie. I will see you in a while. Hi guys, so it's a few hours after I had my Maggie. So so now we are going to have NOP. Okay, so for N I have this naan khatai biscuits. So these are the naan khatai biscuits. Wait, let me show you properly. After N we have O for onion. So मैं बिस्किट खाने के बाद एक अनियन खा रही हूँ. So I have take this छोटू सा piece. So for after O we have P for pickle. I forgot to bring spoon, I guess. So I will just this side से थोड़ा सा. So after pickle we are going to make some with quesadillas. I have searched Swiggy and Zomato. They are not delivering quesadillas. So I'm going to make them. I have seen some recipes. Now we are going to try and make some quesadillas. So I just finished the quesadilla. It was nice. Done some changes in the recipe because I don't have all the ingredients. So after quesadilla we are going to have R for raisins. Wait. We have R for raisins. Now I will go and make S for sandwich. So after S for sandwich, I am going to eat quickly TUVW. Okay. So for T, I have tomato. Now for U, I have this urad dal ke namkeen. For V, we have this vanilla cream biscuits. Okay, I have managed to open the packet and this is how the biscuit looks. Not bad actually. So we have done U, V, W. For W it's very simple. Water. Now U, V, W. For X I have watermelon. It's called Siani something. It's called something in X. I will insert here. So we will go and eat some watermelon. And after that it's almost night time. So I will just tell you. For Y I have yakni pulao. So I will enjoy my yakni pulao at dinner. And I will see you after dinner. Hey guys, so I had my yummy dinner. Now it's time for the last and final alphabet. Like thank God I have eaten so much today. Like 26 alphabets are too much for me. So for last alphabet, which is Z. So there are many things I can eat by Z. Like I can had Zingy parcel from Domino's. I want to end this challenge on a sweet note, a dessert. I find out that dark chocolates are also called zinc chocolate, which is Z. So I am having dark chocolates. Cheers. So yeah guys, this is all for this video. It's 11 PM right now, and if you are still watching it, I think you should consider subscribing because I am planning to do a lot more of challenge videos. And you can also follow me on Instagram, and my handle is amessichick. You can visit my website amessichick.in for some amazing self-improvement vlogs. and comment down below what all challenges you want me to do, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy, bye.